Welcome. Today we're going to explore a simple yet powerful JavaScript program that checks if all elements in the array are equal. This is especially useful in scenarios where uniformity of data needs to be validated. Our goal is to write a program that validates if every element in the array matches the others. This program uses the every method, which checks if all elements satisfy the condition that they are strictly equal to the first element. This approach is clean and efficient. The function processes each element and compares it to the first. If all match, it returns true. Otherwise, it returns false. This table illustrates the function's behavior with different types of input arrays. Notice how it works with numbers, strings, and booleans. Here we utilize ES6 features like the every method for iteration and arrow functions for cleaner syntax. This function has numerous practical applications, from validating user data to checking system configurations. To summarize, this simple function efficiently checks array uniformity, making it a valuable tool in various domains. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript videos. I'll see you in the next one.